Get the stickers.
Put your sticker on the page. Touch the rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good.
Where is the hexagon?
Hexagon. Where's the hexagon?
Touch the crescent.
Crescent. Very good.
Where is the square? Oval, star, rectangle, square, heart. Oval. Oval. Star. Where is the star? Crescent, triangle. Try again. Find the